to a time we could see each other every day. But my fear makes me a prisoner, and the clouds overhead surround me, and my tears come down so hard I can't see. Can you save me? Talking to myself, people think I'm acting strange. Trying hard to find some way to rearrange me. To another time we could see each other every day as the